Hi there, welcome to our channel. So in this video we'll be doing the unboxing of the Infinix Zero 5G smartphone. Well, this is the first 5G smartphone from the brand. I purchased this device from Flipkart for Rs 20,000. So let's quickly open up the box. Let me take off the lid. Wow, up front we have the smartphone itself. Wow, it looks beautiful in this skylight orange color. Let me peel that off. So let's quickly look what else do we get inside the box. We get a case and a welcome to X Club. I don't know why. Some paperwork, and we also have a screen guard. Some paperwork and a case with 5G branding. It looks really good in this case, I have to say. We get a 33-watt fast charger, which is very good, and a Type-C cable. So this is what we get inside the box. It has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus LCD panel with 120Hz refresh rate. On the top we have a secondary noise cancellation. On this side we have volume rocker, a power on off button which is also a fingerprint scanner. At the bottom we have a speaker grill, a Type-C port, your main microphone and a 3.5mm headphone jack. And on this side we have a SIM tray. It comes in only one variant, 8GB RAM with 128GB UFS 3.1 storage. It is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 900 processor, which is based on 6nm process. It gets power from a 5000 mAh battery, and you also get a 33-watt fast charger inside the box. And for the cameras, it packs a triple camera setup at the back. The main camera is a 48-megapixel snapper. The second camera is actually a 13-megapixel portrait lens and a 2-megapixel depth sensor. But the company should have given an ultra-wide-angle lens. On the front there is a 16-megapixel selfie snapper. I've taken a lot of camera samples and here are those samples. So these were some of the camera samples which I took. Definitely I have to say the camera on this one is actually doing a great job. It can also record 4K video at 30 FPS. And the Dimensity 900 is a very powerful processor based on 6nm process. So what do you guys think about this? Do let me know in the comment section down below and subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow in a new video. Peace out.